all the viewers of Ranchikot the Kitchen. Today we are going to make traditional Bangladeshi Ambat Tik. This is a spicy and tangy mackerel curry. I have taken 3 medium-sized mackerels and I am applying fish masala. I'll give you the link to to make the fish masala in the description box. Here I have taken half cup of fresh coconut and to that I am adding red chili this is haldi, red chili powder. You can add the red chili powder that I am adding is very spicy, so I am adding little bit of it. You can add according to your taste. You can add the quantity. This is tamarind. Again little more because this curry is spicy and tangy. That is sour. Here I have ground the masala to a fine paste. Now this is the vessel or kadai in which I am going to make Ambat Tik. Pour the ground masala in the kadai. Add salt to taste. This is the marinated fish. Okay, when you are adding salt, please be careful because already we have added salt to the fish also. Mix well. Now this is tirfar or Szechuan pepper. You get it in the grocery shop or you can get it on the roadside shops which sell spices. Crush them a little bit so that they give a good flavor. Add to the curry. Let us cook the curry. I am adding fresh ginger. Just crush it and put it in the curry. Also add 4 to 5 kokum. This also gives a tangy taste to the curry. To give extra flavor, I have these are turmeric leaves or haldi chipana. Chop them into small pieces and put it in the gravy. Add little water to adjust the consistency. We are not making this watery because we don't want it it shouldn't be very thin. You can have it along with rice. You know, this goes well as a side dish. Adjusting a little bit, I have tasted the salt and found that the salt was less, so I am adding little salt to it. You won't be able to see the color because actually it is quite bright red, but because of the camera, I don't know whether you will be able to see the proper color. Cook it on a slow flame till the fish is cooked. Add a few drops of coconut oil in the end to give extra flavor. Here this is the color and consistency that we need. Enjoy with rice.